Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips, where we break down the latest in cryptocurrency for you in a simple, straightforward way. Today, we're diving into how to transfer Avalanche, AVAX, from Kraken to Crypto.com in 2025. With crypto regulations and platforms evolving, this process might have a few updates, so let's make sure you're doing it right and safely. First off, why transfer? Maybe you're diversifying your portfolio or just prefer crypto.com's features. Whatever the reason, let's get started. Before you begin, ensure you have verified accounts on both Kraken and Crypto.com, and that you have some AVAX in your Kraken wallet. Also, double-check that you're using the correct network. AVAX typically runs on the Avalanche C chain. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Head to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Find your AVAX balance there. Step 2. Select AVAX and click on the Withdraw option. You'll see a form pop up where you need to enter the recipient details. Step 3. On Crypto.com, go to your wallet section. Look for AVAX and copy the deposit address. Pro tip. Always verify the network matches. It's usually Avalanche C chain to avoid any errors. Step 4. Paste that address into the withdrawal form on Kraken. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but make sure it's above any minimum limits. Review the transaction fees, which might have changed in 2025 due to new regulations, and hit confirm. Step 5. Once confirmed, Kraken will process the withdrawal. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Head back to Crypto.com and refresh your wallet to see the incoming AVAX. A quick word of caution. Crypto transfers are irreversible, so triple-check everything to prevent losses. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount. And there you have it. That's how you transfer AVAX from Kraken to Crypto.com in 2025. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.